controversial downfall of MrBeast. 1. MrBeast, once YouTube's biggest star, is now caught in serious controversies. 2. Known for his large-scale giveaways and charity work, his image is now under scrutiny. 3. Recent allegations have caused a shift in how fans view him. 4. Ex-employees have accused him of harsh treatment and an abusive work culture. 5. They claim that the work environment was extremely stressful and demanding. 6. Leaked messages and videos have raised questions about the treatment of his team. 7. Fans are beginning to wonder if his charity work is just a publicity stunt. 8. Critics say his extravagant challenges promote materialism and consumerism. 9. There are concerns about the environmental impact of his massive projects. 10. Some argue that his content encourages excessive wealth and greed. 11. The once loyal fan base is now divided, with some feeling betrayed. 12th. MrBeast has attempted to address the issues, but the backlash continues. 13. His recent videos aren't getting the same attention they once did. 14. Some wonder if his videos are still as authentic as they used to be. 15th. Sponsors and brand partners are starting to question their affiliations with him. 16th. Rival creators have started openly criticizing his methods and approach. 17. Many argue that his success is built on the hard work of his underpaid team. 18. Some former fans are now questioning the true motives behind his giveaways. 19. The ethics of influencer-driven philanthropy are being heavily debated online. 20. MrBeast's positive image is now being viewed with skepticism. 21st. Allegations of clickbaiting and sensationalism are gaining traction. 22nd. People are questioning whether his stunts are as genuine as they appear. 23. The pressure to top his past successes is starting to take its toll. 24. Some critics claim he's prioritizing views over the well-being of his team. 25. While still popular, MrBeast's content is beginning to feel more formulaic. 26. His legacy, once untouchable, is now facing increasing doubts. 27. The YouTube community is debating whether his brand is sustainable. 28th. Fans who once saw him as a role model now feel conflicted about supporting him. 29. The future of MrBeast's channel now seems uncertain. 30. As the controversy continues to grow, only time will tell how this story unfolds. This outline is a fictional narrative and doesn't represent actual events or allegations related to MrBeast.